So ordinary day in the Alameda household.
Oh my God. Let's go. Push yourself. You want to be state champ? You gotta work it. Oh my God. Come on, crunches, crunches. Or push-ups. Do it with me, right? Let's go. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, teacher man. Come on.
Okay, go do some crunches.
Go, go, go. Do the crunches on the couch. Work it. Work those abs.
You have some serious workout skills.
Do it with me, Ryan. Okay.
What are you doing?
Crunches. Doing workout.
Are you exercising?
Yeah. Let's do some squats. Okay. You want to do squats? No. Come on, let's do squats. Bend the knees. Bend. Good job.
Show Grandma how you do push-ups.
Do the push-ups for Grandma. Squats right now. Push-ups, push-ups. Show Grandma the push-ups.
Wow. That's hard to do, girl.
Do crunches.
She's got crunches too.
She knows how to do crunches.
Look, Mom. She's got crunches too.